Touchdown, Dumaguete, 8 a.m. December 10. It's 10:20 and I'm here at the jump off of Casaroro Falls in Negros Oriental. And let's see what's in Casaroro. Tara. Going to Casaroro Falls and medyo steep ang hagdanan. I'm going down and good luck ani kasaka balik ko niya. Good luck sa tuhod. Ako nag-prepare nga mag-inami di ay. Hey guys, I'm here at Casaroro Falls. That's Casaroro. Yes, and let's swim. Hey guys, sayop deko. Ito siya mao ang Casaroro. Napadis babaw. Mag-trek pa ko. Kapoy, nangulong tiil. Bye.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Nagturo kong tiil.
Casaroro Falls at my back. Worth the
Trick! Woo! Okay. Hey, Casaroro Falls.
and I'm done with Casaroro Falls. Unexpected and surprising, yes. And I'm going up these stairs. Kaya balik na sad. See.
$146 and we'll go still. 146. Then, katama na. Pero wala pa. Nakata. Tara.
Hey guys, look at that Smoky Mountain. Amazing. So it's 1:20 and I'm here at Pulang Bato Resort, and hey guys, I'm here now at the famous Pulang Bato Falls, and literally the rocks are red. Not that red, but it's reddish. Hasta akong naong pula na sad. Hey guys, I feel so rusty because the Pulang Bato Falls really smells like there are rust. Maybe it's because of the sulfur. I'm here at the Twin Falls. Ano siya ang kambal ni Pulang Bato there. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and it's my 22nd birthday, and thank you everything. Thank you for everyone who greeted and posted my Facebook wall, messaged me, texted me. Thank you all for the support, and without you I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be making vlogs, I wouldn't be making vlogs or vlogs. I would be posting photos with that. Thank you. Medyo awkward kita. Nakakita ko lang. Talala ko na sa likod. Well, thank you so much. I had so much fun and I had the most out of it. My day is amazing since yesterday. This is my first time to travel during my birthday. And yeah. And thanks. Oh. Wow. May muwa.